Welcome everyone to the ADV Orlando channel, where riding on two wheels is always an adventure. Today's video is a part of the video documentary that I'm doing of the Eastern Panhandle of West Virginia.
Myerstown Road will be the focus of this video, and we'll be traveling from US 340 all the way back to Cabletown Road. This is going to be another beautiful road to ride on. Nothing but farmland and some forest, and you'll see a few homes along on this road, but no development whatsoever, and it's just a really nice wide open ride. And as it comes to its end, you'll see it facing the Blue Ridge Mountains. Very nice road to ride. And I've never been on this road ever before, so it was a little bit of an adventure and very rewarding to do it. Being just video as part of the video documentary of the Eastern Panhandle of West Virginia, I do like to squeeze in the date in which I'm doing this ride, whether it be in the introduction in the beginning, or in the video, or in the comments section that I might add on later. It's really good to note that the day of this, because you're going to see some nice foliage on this, so it's a good time of year to ride this road if you ever try to. Otherwise, I'd say any time of the year would be nice to ride this because of the wide openness to it. I really love this road. This is an absolutely gorgeous view here as it opens up the cornfields on both sides and the Blue Ridge Mountains up ahead. And this is a fairly short ride, so we're getting pretty close to the end of the video. So this is the time that I like to ask, if you're still watching this video, click like if you like my videos. And I'd like to ask that you please subscribe to my channel, click on the notifications bell, that way whenever I record a new road in this area, you'll be able to see it. Which is kind of neat if you live in the area or lived in there at some time. Usually a road straight like this is usually kind of boring to ride, but whenever you have the nice scenery that you have framing it, it always makes it a very rewarding thing to do. So take the time to ride a road that you've never been down before. Good for the mind.
And always remember, to ride what you have whenever you can, wherever the road takes you.